I was wondering mostly about your views on like non-black girls not liking black guys.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't really think that's, I mean, for me, my personal experience, it really hasn't been like that.
Well, first of all, how old are you, and where do you live?
I'm 22. I live near like Baltimore, DC area.
Okay, so basically you're 22, so you're still in the age range where the girls are kind of just like carefree, not really caring, messing around, influenced by music, social media, all of that kind of. They're still in that bracket. The non-black chicks that you're dealing with, are they just straight up normal run-of-the-mill Beckys, or are they non-black women that are let's say they're interested in black culture? Do they listen to black music, watch black movies, stuff like that?
No, not really.
So basically you're telling me you're sleeping with Taylor Swift type chicks? Come on, bro. Come on, bro.
No, I mean, let's say non-black girls, they come on to me, but I really don't mess with them too. I really just date mostly black and some Latino girl, maybe one or two Latino girls, but mostly black girls. That's who I mostly mess with, to be honest.
Oh, so why was you talking about all these non-black chicks that, you know?
I interact with them a lot and stuff.
Oh, interact. Oh, that don't count, bro. That don't count. Listen, bro. At the end of the day, look, at the end of the day, yeah, as you've already said that you agree with the main points I talk about, yeah. Most of the time, as a black guy, you're dealing with in particular white chicks, right? Most of them are not going to be interested. They may be attracted, but most of them will not go all the way with you. Yeah, most of them are just not going to do that, bro. And then of the ones that do, you know, they have the aspect of they might be the type of white chicks that white dudes don't want.
All the girls that came on to me that I rejected, they all were attractive.
They were all attractive. Well, I don't know. You seem to be the outlier. Where you live seems to be the outlier. It seems to be different from everywhere else, bro. But I could guarantee you come out of that environment, you go somewhere else, it won't be like that. It's going to be like how I'm describing, bro. That's why a lot of people, they come to the videos where I talk about this kind of stuff and they say, yeah, it's like that. And these people are from all over the world. Bro, I just had the guy from Australia call up and he said everything I said is true about it. He's in Australia. I haven't even been to Australia, bro.
I mean, oh wow! I was just talking about in the U.S. mostly, to be honest.
Bro, and in the what do you mean? And in the U.S. as well, bro. I lived there. Yeah. I lived there for 5 years, bro.
I mean, I went to Charlotte, and I went to Charlotte for a wedding, and it seemed like there was girls of all types coming on to me, to be honest.
All right, let me ask you this: what type of black guy are you? Are you tall?
Yeah, I'm like 6'2", 6'3".
Oh, okay. So you're Tyrone. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. You're 6'3". Do you know you're less than 15% of the population? And I don't know what you look like. I haven't seen you. I don't know what you look in the face, but you're 6'3". Bro.
I mean, I gotta lie, I'm like very muscular.
Bro, you've answered your own question, bro. How come it's different for you? Because you're one of the minority of guys that a lot of these girls deem to be special. You're 6'3". Yeah, you're 6'3". Listen, hold on. You're in a very white environment. You're a black guy, so you stand out because you're black, and you're 6'3". And let me ask you this. Obviously, I'm not gonna know if you're chatting shit or not, but in facially, looks wise, because you already said you're muscular, so you're 6'3" and you're muscular, and your face, what would you rate yourself out of 10? Be honest,
Maybe
bro.
average 6, 7, I would say.
6, 7. So you're above average in looks, bro, because 6 is above average. Yeah. So you're 6'3". Hold on, bro. You're 6'3". You're in good shape. So when you wear clothes, you look good. You're muscular. You go to the gym, and then you're above average in the face. And come on, bro. Of course you're gonna get those white girls wanting to have sex with you. What do you mean? If you was an average, now let me ask you this: if you was OB 5'9", 5 in the face, and average body build, do you think you would have the same experience?
No, I mean,
that's it.
The thing is, like, I'm also in that social circle. You know what I'm saying?
Do you play a sport?
Yeah, I played rugby at school. Yeah.
So you're in college, right? You're a college athlete. You're 6'3". You're muscular. You have good network of friends around you. Obviously, bruh, you stand out like a sore thumb because you're black. Obviously, you're gonna have some attractive non-black women that are gonna want to get a ride on the rodeo. Bruh, me in my environment where I live, I got white girls that are interested in me, bruv. Just because I'm not sure, I'm like over 6 foot, right? I'm muscular. I don't even think I'm that good looking in the face. I'll be real with you. Girls say that to me, but I don't think I'm even that good looking in the face. I'd say I'm probably about 6, 7 as well. And yeah, I get good looking girls, bruv. I know, but I know why though. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, now if I was King Richez 5'8" with an average build, I don't think I'd have the same level of success. I'm just being real.
Right.
And that even goes with black girls as well.
You're definitely right. But one thing I want to say is, I'm not trying to be like offensive or anything, but we need to like stop putting white women on a pedestal, or like non-black women on a pedestal. We as black men, you know, it just seems it reeks of self-hate. You know what I'm saying?
No, absolutely, bro. I'm sure you've seen. I've done videos about this. Like it's very counterproductive for black guys to pedestalize non-black women. It's very counterproductive. If you are a black guy and you have a preference for white women or non-black women, then cool, do your thing. You just don't need to broadcast it or talk trash about women of your own ethnic group. It is embarrassing.